Hello guys, welcome back to my HR learning series. So today's topic is recruitment versus talent acquisition. So talent acquisition and recruitment, they both share the same goals of filling the open positions. But however, there are some differences between these two functions. What are they? So let's just start. The first one is the recruitment is a short-term goal and talent acquisition is a long-term goal. So in recruitment short-term goal, here HR emphasizes on filling the position of the immediate vacancies. And in talent acquisition, it is an ongoing strategy for the future staffing, which is basically based on the company's business needs. Now, in the second one, here in recruitment, HR focuses on the regular recruitment and volume hiring, usually for the entry level roles. And in talent acquisition, HR focuses on the strategic side of the hard to fill positions. And lastly, in recruitment, it is deployed immediately. So here recruiter always hire for the positions that are always needed. And in talent acquisition, TA specialists study the company different roles, different departments, as well as the different skills and experience that needed to be succeeded in each area. So guys, this is the difference between the recruitment and talent acquisition. Okay, now as we understand the difference between the recruitment and talent acquisition, the next comes what is recruitment? Recruitment is the process of finding, hiring the qualified suitable candidates to fill the job vacancies within an organization. It basically involves a series of activities like attracting, screening, selecting, and hiring the most suitable candidates for a particular role. Now, when recruitment actually occurs? Recruitment actually occurs when employee resigns, a department expands, or a lining manager asks recruiter to find the more employees because of the ongoing work. Now, after this, HR will be having the two options. The first, HR will do the recruitment process through a recruitment agency, or the another one, in-house recruitment. So in compared to both, in-house recruitment can be a benefit for the company. Why? Firstly, here HR will get to know about the company business and staffing objectives very well. And the second, here HR will be having a direct access to hiring managers who can provide the in-depth knowledge about the ideal candidate. And the third one, now most of the companies, they are having the software, recruitment software. So for the HR, it will be more helpful. Basically, it simplifies the hiring process by using this recruitment software. And lastly, it will be a cost saving for the organization. So in-house recruitment will be the better option for the HR. So these are the difference between the recruitment and talent acquisition. So basically, talent acquisition is a proactive nature and recruitment is a reactive approach of hiring. And talent acquisition fulfills the future workforce need and recruitment fulfills the instant staffing needs. Now, lastly comes in this topic, that is HR's role in the recruitment. HR plays a huge part in the hiring cycle. There are some key duties of HR in the recruitment process. The first one is analyze the job specification. So here HR analyze the job requirements based on the individual's role in the organization. Second one is writing the job description and posting them. Here, HR creates the JD that accurately reflects the skills needed to perform the job and the day-to-day task of the selected person, and publishing them on the different social media platforms and on job boards. Now, the third one is screening and background checking. So here HR review the resumes to determine the most appropriate candidates. And initially, HR will do the phone calls to the candidates to evaluate even more further. And at the end, HR will do the reference check of the candidate. Now, the fourth one is conducting the interviews. So here HR asks the questions to determine the persons whether it's fit for the position or not. And it also works with the hiring managers to conduct the interviews as a part of the candidate of the selection process. Now, the fifth one is managing the job offers and salary negotiations. So here HR roll out the job offer to the selected candidate and also guaranteed the right benefits and compensation is provided based on the qualification and job market standard. And the lastly that comes is the onboarding. Once candidate join the organization, HR welcomes the new hires to the organization and ensures that all are set up for the success in their roles within the organization. So that's it, guys, with this topic of talent acquisition and recruitment. Hope I have clarified the topic of recruitment and talent acquisition. Still, if you have any questions or query, you can comment. I will reply to your questions. Thank you, guys.